Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for tuning in. This is my unboxing video of the stuff that I received in the mail today. So I got my nice rainbow knife. This first box is the God of War Ragnarok controller that I pre-ordered. Here it is. Oh, it's blue and white, and it has the little wolves. And then on the side there's Kratos, and on this side there's Atreus. Very, very excited to play with this controller. And then this big one is the edition of the game that I ordered. So. Alright, it's got a nice orange sticker on here. It says, do not display until October 9th, which it is today. Oh shit, hang on. Oh shit, this is gonna hurt. There it is! Let's go. Alright. So this is all the stuff that's in there. There's some pins, there's a steelbook, 2 little figures, there's a vinyl, a ring, a cloth map, some dice, and then Mjolnir. It also comes with a code for the game, but I already got the disc. I picked it up at midnight last night. How do I open this? Oh, it opens like this. Okay. How's this shit open? Oh, there's more stickers. There's one more. There we go. How the fuck is this supposed to go? Oh, look at that. So cool. It's like the shrines in the game. Oh, it opens anyway. It's like the shrines in the games. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh. So the front opens like this, and then it's gonna pull down. Look at that. How cool is that? Fucking sick. That's gas. This has got some nice weight to it too. Looks pretty good. Put it back in. there's something in here. Yep. There's the vinyl. Very, very cool. Oh, look at this beautiful green color. Music by Bear McCreary. That's it. Close that back now. There's stuff. Yeah, there's more stuff at the top. So here we have the steelbook with space for the disc. It doesn't come with the disc. This has the code, I think, in it. Yeah. Oh, for the humidity. Here's the dice. I don't know what they do. I mean, they have numbers on them, so they do that, but they're just cool. And we've got the little statues. Again, don't know what they do, or I guess they don't do anything. They're just kind of cool. Yeah. Two little ladies. Nice. Does this come up more? I think it does. So this whole thing comes out. And here we've got the pins. Pretty cool. And then this is going to be the cloth map. Let's see. Wow. Very, very nice craftsmanship here. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Shows the 9 realms. Pretty fire. And I think this is it. Last thing. Don't know what that is. Oh. Oh, this is the. It's a very, very cool little ring. Yeah, cool ring. Let's see what it says. It says the Jotnar ring. Don't know what that means. Don't think it'll fit on any of my fingers. Maybe my thumb. And then, yeah, that's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you later. I'm really excited to play God of War Ragnarok. Comment down below if you picked up the game and whether or not you're enjoying it. I'm a few hours in and I'm really, really excited to keep playing. Thanks.